In Ontario, the green home movement isn't just a buzzword, it's a full-on revolution. And at the heart of this movement lies a big goal, the net zero energy home. But what does net zero really mean? And how do HVAC systems, especially heat pumps, make them a dream reality? Let's break it down. A net zero home produces as much energy as it consumes over a year. This balance means lower carbon footprints, sustainable living, and a model for modern green housing. For many Ontario homeowners, achieving a net zero status is the ultimate eco-friendly milestone. Air source and geothermal heat pumps are the MVPs of net zero living. Air source heat pumps pull heat from the outdoor air in the winter and push it out in the summer, providing year-round comfort for incredible efficiency. Geothermal heat pumps tap into the Earth's steady temperatures for ultra-reliable, energy-saving heating and cooling. Renewable energy integration. Modern HVAC systems pair perfectly with solar panels and other renewables, helping you produce and use clean energy seamlessly. Indoor air quality. Green homes aren't just energy efficient, they're healthier. Advanced HVAC systems improve air quality with built-in purifiers, humidifiers, and dehumidifiers. Smart controls and automation. Smart thermostats and LOT integration let you monitor, schedule, and adjust your system remotely, cutting waste and boosting savings. Ontario's unique climate and rising energy costs make energy efficiency more important than ever. Especially heat pumps account for a large share of home energy use. Choosing the right system is key to unlocking real savings and reaching your sustainability goals. At Affordable Comfort, we understand that Ontario homeowners need to achieve net zero living. Our tailored HVAC solutions, including state-of-the-art heat pumps, are designed to integrate seamlessly with green home designs, putting your goals within reach. If you're ready to take the next step towards your own net zero dream, reach out to Affordable Comfort today, and let's make your green future a reality.